Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Netflix. The report was first published on our website April 20, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Netflix for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 21st, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Netflix performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Netflix stock currently holds a -7.125 score, and our system has ranked Netflix sell candidate since April 13, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -35.45%. This is an average return of -7.09% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Netflix our last headline reads, High volatility in Netflix stock price on Wednesday which ended trading at $226.20. The Netflix stock price fell by -35.08% on the last day, Wednesday, April 20, 2022, from $348.42 to $226.20. During the day the stock fluctuated 17.03% from a day low at $212.51 to a day high of $248.70. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -40.5% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 121 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 130 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $29.42 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $700.99, and the lowest price was $212.51. Right now the price is 67.73%, or $474.79, below 52-week high at $700.99, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Netflix stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend down. Firstly, a stronger fall rate is indicated, but false breaks and sell-off may occur. However, a further fall is realistic and any reactions back to the breaking point, $303.56, are considered to be a second chance to get out. According to the fan theory, $207 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is far too early to say this for certain. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -13.86% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 16.04% and 52.81%. The 12-month trend indicates a -16.74% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 21.97% and 135.36%. This equals a price between $275.89 and $532.38 after a year. Here are some price predictions from StockInvest users. Additionally, 2 users think the price will go up. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Netflix stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Netflix stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Netflix. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Netflix stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $328.02 and $359.36. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 29, 2022, and so far it has fallen -42.27%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 80 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 85 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Netflix. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $36.19 between high and low, or 17.03%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.51%. The stock has a beta of 0.99. This tells us that Netflix is -0.01 times less volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Netflix. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Netflix currently has a price-earning ratio of 30.28. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $215.31, $206.77, $192.95. Sell at $242.96, $251.50, $265.33. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Netflix is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On April 1, 2022, Hogue J.C. made an inside buy of 168 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Whetstone Rachel made an inside buy of 558 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Dopfner Matthias made an inside buy of 168 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Smith Bradford L. made an inside buy of 168 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. On April 1, 2022, Izama Mibi Sergio made an inside buy of 837 of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 28.435. In total, the insiders bought 1,422,377 and sold 788,508 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Netflix stock a buy? Netflix holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a strong sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday 21st, we expect Netflix to open up $2.94 and start trading at $229.14. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.